Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying the addition. Office 365 updates differently than a standalone install. Save your files and close Excel. This prevents file locks and incomplete updates. Once done, open any Office app, choose File, then Account, and select Update options. This launches the update engine. It checks current build versus available updates. Make sure you have an internet connection and sufficient disk space, so the updater can download and install without interruption. Click Update Now to begin. You will see download and installation progress. You do this because incremental patches fix bugs and enhance compatibility. Let the installer run. It may stop and restart Office services in the background. That's normal. If prompts appear, accept them to finish installation. Make sure your PC stays awake and plugged in. An interrupted update can corrupt files. Once the process completes, the updater often reports you're up to date with the new build number. After installation, open Excel to verify the version under File, Account, confirm the build number matches the installer message. If Excel behaves oddly, run a quick repair from Settings app's Microsoft Office. That fixes common file and registry issues quickly. If problems continue, try online repair or reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: check Microsoft 365 service health and your network. Sometimes updates fail due to service outages or blocked ports, not your device, so confirm external causes before drastic fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.